Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out the Hilton Marco Island Resort, the room. So let's dive in. First look at the room. It's pretty spacious. You got a nice bed, a nice couch, nice sized TV, then a nice desk. I've actually got to interview a couple candidates here on Teams tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. So this will be a perfect place to do some interviews. Hopefully the internet works well here. Looking out, you have a nice balcony. We got the partial ocean view, so we have a little bit of a view of this green area right here where you can play some yard games, and then also a nice view of the ocean too, with some sailboats sailing on the water. I was actually thinking about taking one of those sailboats out later today. You get a 10% discount on renting the sailboats or going out on one of the sailboats if you're staying at the hotel, which is a nice perk because I think it's kind of expensive. Marco Island, great area. Can't wait to check it out. You get 2 beach chairs and a umbrella down at the beach when you go down there, so that's really nice. Can't wait to head on down to the beach. And just a quick look at the bathroom. So, it's a nice clean bathroom. Get a couple of sinks here, dual sink action. In case you need a hand towel, you got one ready to go. Shower cap, if you need that. Then it's a nice sized shower with some soaps ready for action. So overall, looks good to me. Looks like a very relaxing time. I'm gonna head on down to the beach, possibly get a sailboat. On the way to the beach, we passed by the pool. Great spot to hang out, great spot to cool down after the beach as well. It's awesome to have a pool on the beach. That's one of the huge benefits of staying at the Hilton Marco Island Resort. So finally making our way down to the beach. We've got a nice walkway through this lush greenery. It's a nice wide beach with lots of foliage, which is something that is, not unique to Marco Island, but is a huge perk. Nice white sand, beautiful partly cloudy day. You get a lot of these down here at Marco Island. It's just how it goes. Another view of the hotel, from the beach. Moving into the water, nice clear green emerald water. It's beautiful. This is the type of water you see at Marco Island. And here's these 2 beach chairs with a nice umbrella. See you guys on the next one.